Welcome, my dear students. So it's time for us to start creating some more data here so that way we can keep building our output. Right now, the first thing we got our page. So we are detecting our first page. Now we need to start getting into more advanced functionality, okay? So just hang tight with me. We're gonna build a functionality now where we can create the rest of the links. We need the first page. We need some little dots that I want to create, and you're gonna see how this takes place. Okay, so we're gonna create this variable called I, and we're gonna do some ternary functionality here. Instead of doing if statements, we want to do some ternary. So I'm gonna use this number function just to make sure that whatever I got here is a number. This is just making sure that we have a number as a current page. And I'm gonna say, if this is bigger than 5, I'm gonna use that again, do options, hash dot current is -4. And we're gonna see that later why this is. And if anything else, we just say it's gonna be equal to 1. Now let's enclose this in a let's see where we got this one here, one right here. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna get the return value as this if it's greater than 5. If the current page is greater than 5, we're gonna get that value here. If not, we're gonna get this value, right? So we're gonna use that I right now to say if I is not equal to 1. Okay, then we're gonna output some links, and not links but little dots I want to output. So I'm just gonna make some little dots right here. I'm going to take this href because I don't need it. I just need that. Okay, let's see if we get those dots. Let's see. All right, let's come back here. um, if it's not equal to 1, so if it's equal to page number 2, well, we got the link here, so that's working. Let's make sure that this is disabled. um, Page item disable. Okay, and page link is going to be some couple of dots. Okay, numbers options because current is greater than 5. Okay, just making sure that this is all right. Let's do an else statement. No, we don't actually need that. Let's build a loop actually. Let's double check this again. Make sure that this is working. And we click on it and this. Okay, perfect. So that's working like we want to. Okay, now let's build a for loop here. And let's see how we can do this. So I don't want to actually I don't want to initiate a variable here. That's why I'm going to put a semicolon to make this like kind of optional. And I'm going to do I, as long as I is smaller or equal than, let's just take one of these guys here. And then we're just going to put 4 here. Okay. And let's say end. This actually, I'm going to put another value here. And I is options dot hash dot pages. Okay, then we want to iterate, well, we want to increment I. Okay, and you're gonna see what this is gonna do right now. So this is how we're gonna create some of this functionality here. So what I want to do is I want to create a first link. Okay, And we can do this by doing something like this. I equals, why do I keep, gosh, sorry about that, guys. I need my coffee. I even forgot the code that I was writing because this is kind of long. All right. So if I is our current page, we want to display the link, right? The number. So let's do this real quick here. I think I might be making a mistake. We're gonna see this later, guys. Now you might be asking, why doesn't he uses some other code? Sometimes I like to do it like this because it just helps me. And if I make a mistake, it helps you see it as well. Okay. So this is gonna be our link, and you're gonna see where this is gonna show now. If it's the first page, we want the link to be active, and we want the dynamic data to show. Okay. So let's refresh this, and you're gonna see that there. Okay. So this is starting to take form now. Okay. So if I do number 2, you can see now that this is active, meaning that it's not on first page now. So you can go to first page, and now it's disabled. Okay, you see how this is starting to take form? Okay, and let's do the else statement later. I think this functionality here should get you up and running by understanding how it works. Okay, so this is not clickable yet. That's okay. Okay, we'll make it clickable, but let's go number 2. I want you to analyze our code to see how that's going, okay? Pretty cool stuff. I think we're missing a little piece there, but we'll make it later on. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture, guys. Don't overthink it too much. We're gonna go over it later, but let's just keep building it. See you there. Bye-bye.